Okay, y'all, I have been cleaning house all day, doing laundry because we've been traveling across the country and back a couple of times. I don't want to cook. I know, it's a shock, me not wanting to cook, but I don't. So today I'm going to show you how to make a no-cook, yummy, quick, delicious, you can probably do it in under 5 minutes, no tuna casserole salad. Wait, not casserole, just tuna salad. Okay, that's a fail. Cut that part out. Casserole salad.
Casserole?
It's so good. Let's get started. No tuna salad. Let's begin. Why I show that? So what we're going to start with is a half a cup So I'm going to show you a really fast, quick, yummy recipe that you can make in a pinch, because it's pretty much stuff that you should have on hand if you are plant-based whole food. So you're going to start with is 1 can of chickpeas, garbanzo beans that have just been rinsed and drained, and you're going to mash them. Now you could totally use a fork or a potato masher. I have found, the easiest way is with my pastry cutter, because the blades, while they're not sharp, I don't know, I just think it's easier than using a fork. But you don't want to mash it to the point where you just have mush, because if you're going to do that, you just put it in the food processor. You want to leave some bigger chunks. You just want to mash them pretty good. You know, takes a few minutes. So that actually is what takes the longest when doing this recipe, and what you're left with is just kind of like a chunky chickpea meal, I guess. And then to this, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of tahini, which you can find down the aisle in your grocery store with the peanut butter. Made from sesame, so it's like a sesame peanut butter, but no peanuts. Anyways, y'all know what I mean. So you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of that, and you're going to add 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. That may actually only be 1. Let me check. And this is 1 teaspoon of a Dijon mustard. You could totally use like a spicy mustard if you wanted it a little spicier. Okay, so then after that, everything else, just think of what you originally would put in a tuna salad, you know. I have some diced up celery. This is like about 1/4 cup of diced up celery. About 1/4 cup of chopped red onion. This is some capers that have been just kind of drained and coarsely chopped, about 1 teaspoon of that. Again, after you get that tahini and the Dijon and the maple syrup in there, everything else is just what you like. This is about 1/2 cup of sweet pickle relish, which is Steve's favorite in tuna salad, and some spicy pickles that we had that I chopped up to make up 1/2 cup. So really it's about 1/4 and 1/4. And then our seasonings. So this is about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Really, it's about a heaping teaspoon, because when you use canned garbanzo beans, chickpeas, they need some salt. They don't have a lot of flavor. About 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and about 1/2 teaspoon of Tony's. Again, adjust how you like it. and then mix it up, and y'all, that's literally it. And there's your no tuna salad. Taste it after you get it all mixed together and adjust the seasonings. If you want it a little sweeter, you can add some more maple or some more sweet pickle relish, a little spicier or whatever. You can add more, but you can't take away. And that's it. How quick and easy is that? You could put it on a sandwich. You can make like tuna casserole in the oven with some pasta and stuff. You can feed it with some crackers. It's just delicious and quick and no cook on a busy night when you've been cleaning the house all day. There you have it, no tuna salad. So be sure to like and subscribe and try the recipes, and be blessed, y'all.